I want to show you something that still impresses me every time I do it. I am going to take a 50-page PDF report, a dense, technical document full of data, analysis, and jargon, drop it straight into an AI tool, and ask it to pull out the 3 most important takeaways in plain English. Watch the clock. 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds. There they are. 3 crisp, clear, accurate summaries of the most critical points buried inside 50 pages of dense text. Now think about what that actually means in practical terms. A document that would take a competent reader at least 2 hours to get through properly, digested, summarized, and handed back to you in under 10 seconds. That is not a gimmick. That is genuinely, meaningfully useful. And the tool that just did that is what this video is about. This is Claude, and if you have only ever used ChatGPT, you are about to meet something that does certain things in a way that might completely change how you work. Claude was built by a company called Anthropic. Anthropic was founded in 2021 by Dario Amodi, Daniela Amodi, and several colleagues who had previously worked at OpenAI. They left to start something with a specific focus, building AI systems that are not just powerful, but genuinely safe, honest, and aligned with what humans actually want. That founding philosophy shapes everything about how Claude behaves. Where some AI tools are optimized purely for impressive output, Claude is built around a principle Anthropic calls being helpful, harmless, and honest. In practice, what that means is that Claude will tell you when it does not know something rather than confidently making something up. It will push back if you ask it to do something it thinks is a bad idea. It will give you nuanced, careful answers on complex topics rather than defaulting to whatever sounds most agreeable. It behaves, in other words, less like a tool trying to impress you and more like a thoughtful colleague trying to actually help you. But philosophy aside, let us talk about the practical capabilities, because this is where Claude earns its reputation. The single most distinctive feature of Claude is its context window. The context window is essentially how much information the model can hold in its working memory during a single conversation. Think of it like a desk. Some AI tools have a small desk. They can only see and work with a limited amount of text at a time. Claude has an exceptionally large desk. You can paste in an entire book, a 100-page legal contract, a full code base, a lengthy research paper, or a stack of meeting transcripts. And Claude will read, process, and reason across all of it without losing the thread. This is not a small difference. For anyone who works with documents, research, reports, or large amounts of information, this single capability changes what is possible. You are not summarizing a document, you are having a conversation with it. You can ask where specific claims are supported. You can ask what is missing. You can ask what contradicts what. You can ask what the author seems to be arguing between the lines. The document becomes something you can interrogate rather than something you have to passively read through. Let us actually see how this works in practice. Here is a real workflow you can use starting today. Say you have a long report, a business proposal, a research paper, a contract, a policy document, anything dense and detailed. Upload it to Claude and start simple. Ask for a plain English summary of the whole thing in 5 sentences. Then ask for the 5 most important points. Then get specific. Ask what risks or concerns are mentioned in the document, even implicitly. Ask what the document is recommending and what evidence it uses to support that recommendation. Ask if there are any contradictions or gaps in the argument. Ask what questions a critical reader would want answered after reading this. Each of those questions takes seconds. Together, they give you a richer, faster understanding of that document than most people get from reading it cover to cover. And you can go even deeper. Ask Claude to compare 2 documents you have uploaded, identify where they agree and where they conflict, and summarize the key differences. Ask it to extract every deadline mentioned across a set of project documents. Ask it to pull every name and role from a report and list them clearly. Tasks that used to require hours of careful reading and note-taking become a focused 10-minute conversation. Beyond document work, Claude has a particular strength when it comes to writing that requires nuance, tone, and careful thought. If you have ever used an AI tool to help with writing and found the output sounded hollow, generic, or like it was written by a committee, Claude is worth trying as a comparison. It is unusually good at following complex stylistic instructions. Tell it to write something formal but not cold. Tell it to write something persuasive but not pushy. Tell it to match the tone of a sample you paste in, Tell it to write an explanation that is accurate but accessible to someone with no background in the subject. It handles those layered instructions with a subtlety that sets it apart. This is partly a product of the same training philosophy that emphasizes honesty and nuance. A model built to be careful and thoughtful produces writing that reads as careful and thoughtful. Claude is also exceptionally strong at reasoning through complex, multi-step problems. If you give it a genuinely difficult question, something that requires holding multiple considerations in mind simultaneously, weighing different factors, and arriving at a reasoned conclusion, it tends to work through the problem systematically rather than jumping to the first plausible-sounding answer. Ask it to evaluate a business decision and list the factors for and against. Ask it to analyze a situation from multiple perspectives. Ask it to stress test a plan by identifying the assumptions it depends on and asking what happens if those assumptions are wrong. This is where Claude feels less like a text generator and more like a thinking partner that actually engages with the substance of what you are trying to figure out. Now let us talk about how to get started, because the setup could not be simpler. You go to claude.ai and create a free account. The interface is clean and minimal: a conversation window, a file upload button, and a sidebar showing your previous conversations. One feature worth paying attention to immediately is projects. Projects allow you to create dedicated spaces for ongoing work where you can upload documents, give Claude persistent context about what you are working on, and maintain a continuous thread of conversation that builds on itself over time. So instead of re-explaining your project every time you start a new chat, you set up a project once, upload the relevant documents, write a brief description of what you are working on and what you need, and every conversation inside that project starts with Claude already fully briefed. For anyone managing ongoing work, whether that is a business, a writing project, a research topic, or a client relationship, this feature alone is worth the price of entry. Now, the question that always comes up at this point is the obvious one: Claude versus ChatGPT. Which one is better? And the honest answer is that it is the wrong question, because they are not trying to beat each other at the same thing. They are different tools with different strengths, and the most effective users treat them that way. ChatGPT has a more developed ecosystem of plugins and integrations, a larger user base, and a very capable image generation tool built in. It is also many people's first instinct simply because it came first and has the highest name recognition. Claude, on the other hand, tends to outperform on tasks involving long documents, nuanced writing, careful reasoning, and following complex multi-part instructions. It is also notably more likely to be upfront about uncertainty, to say "I am not sure about this," rather than confidently producing something that sounds right but is not. For work that involves a lot of reading, writing, and thinking through complex problems, many people find Claude to be the stronger daily tool. For quick tasks, image generation, or accessing a wide range of integrations, ChatGPT fills that role well. The practical answer is to try both. Identify which one gives you better results for the specific tasks you do most, and use them accordingly. Having both open costs nothing on the free tier. One thing worth being clear about: Claude has limitations too, and pretending otherwise would be doing you a disservice. Like all large language models, it can hallucinate, producing confident-sounding responses that contain inaccuracies. Its knowledge has a cutoff date, so it does not have real-time information about current events unless you are using a version with web search enabled. And while its context window is impressively large, extremely long, and complex documents can still occasionally cause it to lose track of details buried deep in the middle, these are not reasons to avoid the tool. They are reasons to use it with your eyes open, treating its output as a high-quality starting point that your own judgment then refines and verifies. What you now have is a clear picture of two of the most powerful AI tools available to anyone right now, both accessible for free, both capable of transforming how much you can get done in a day. The next step is figuring out which tool is the right one for which job. Because having both available is one thing, but knowing when to reach for each one is where the real efficiency comes from. That is exactly what the next video breaks down. Subscribe so you do not miss it, and I will see you there.